We are on our way to do something fabulous. And just what is that, Alicia?
We have bought a new used camper van.
New used, huh?
And it just feels so right. So excited.
Well, we are complete newbies, but we decided if the people we follow on YouTube, such as The Endless Adventure, Travel Beans, and Kate and Nara, can do it, so can we. We took a little bit of time finding one, and I think we found one. Well, it definitely fits our budget, and it seems to be in good condition. It's bought from a dealer or a man that fixes them up in Wayland, Michigan.
Same place the Travel Beans bought theirs.
So come along with us, and we will show it to you in a little bit. Bye-bye. Okay, we are getting close to our destination in Wayland, so we can pick up our camper van. We're excited.
I've been noticing I'm kind of giggling quietly to myself frequently. Didn't even really realize I was doing it.
Right? Yeah, we've got a lot to talk about, a lot to learn, and we are excited. Hell yeah. And we passed it.
Well, you didn't have his flag out today. I always look for his flag.
Oh, we're at D&L Auto Sales, home of D&L and their autos.
We're here.
I know, right?
About to write a big check.
Ta-da.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey,
How we doing?
there you are.
Happy dance.
All right.
How are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
Good.
Good. Good. Good.
Good.
Yeah, ready to roll.
Nice.
Just finishing up lunch over there,
Okay.
and now we're done. Good to see you, buddy.
Good to see you.
Good seeing you.
Thank you.
So this is ours.
We haven't written the check yet.
No, yeah, it will be ours, hopefully.
One of the things I've always loved about it is I was with my parents on my birthday every year. And most people aren't, but because of Christmas, I always was.
Yeah, isn't that nice?
Yeah. Do you like having that birthday?
I do. Somebody asked that, and it's like, I don't know any different.
No. And I think it's kind of special. It's kind of fun to tell people.
Yeah.
We bought 2 new lights so that they'll match.
Oh,
So you got to
Oh
push
my.
push the button up there.
Oh, that's awesome.
So. Yeah, that's a problem. That could be a problem. There's a little hook on the top right-hand corner.
Is that what this
Swing
is?
that out and pull it down. This is the water heater.
Yeah.
Water and electric. That's where you hook your water hose up to.
we are finally ready to hook up here. We got half a head, Alicia,
Jump.
and
Where's
we're gonna write the biggest check ever so far.
They're gonna write it to me.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Okay, Alicia writing a huge check here. We don't think they're rubber. No, they're not.
I know where they live.
I have who it's to and from, but I'm not sure I know how to write all those numbers down.
Here is the beans thing that they have on their van that Darrin was kind enough to have they added to theirs.
It actually comes out a lot farther than you expect.
Okay.
If you haven't seen it. And then it'll droop down and you think you're breaking it, but it's designed to kind of droop down a little bit as it comes out.
Okay.
And these arms on the inside here, those don't completely straight. I think that they do, but they don't come so perfect. Like we said, they go out farther than you think, then you got to bring them all the way back in.
We won't be using this. Okay.
That's gonna be on me, huh, Frank?
Yep. Cool.
So there's no locking thing when you get done. How was it, babe?
Okay, so Darrin, tell us about your business. How long you've been in business?
Yep, been in business for over 20 years. We've been doing camper vans exclusively for about 7 or 8 years now, and it's just been a fun niche to be in, help people out like this, and we sell them all over the country and out of the country as well. So It's been a lot of fun, and we're just very blessed to do this.
Well, thank you, and we're looking forward to driving this.
It was awesome
Really
meeting
are.
you guys, and hope you have a great time with it.
So we will, definitely.
Yep.
Okay, thanks,
You
Darrin.
betcha. Thank you.
You can tell
Now,
by the red. Okay.
hey, can you see yourself?
I can.
Okay, you're recording.
So Frank forgot his phone. The whole point of this was so he would have his phone and we could communicate from our new van, which yay, to the car that he's in. And he forgot his phone because he forgets things sometimes. That's my Frank. And we have a system that if I need to stop or want to stop and pull over, I'm going to put on my hazard lights. And he is going to honk if he wants me to stop. So that's what we've arranged thus far. We are going home the back roads with no highway because I don't think we're ready yet. We've got a few things to learn first. I forgot I need to talk louder because it's a little louder in here, but it's not bad. We test drove another one and it was so loud that it was it's got one of those loose steering wheels and it takes a little getting used to. I've had Dodge vans in the past and for some reason that makes it feel a little comfortable, but we shall see. See Frank behind me and all's right with the world. This has the solar panels on top, which I think is so wonderful. So what did I learn? The solar panel goes directly to the battery.
At the next stop sign, turn left.
Okay, so now it is me driving, and now I get to drive it all the way home from here. Drives really well. Doobie 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 doo.
Turn right. In 900 feet, turn right.
Hey.
Dad really likes it.
Yep. Did you look inside?
Oh, yeah.
We just
Yeah.
we did the tour. I should have told you we were here,
Looks
honey.
Very
Sorry.
nice. I lived in a trailer for 2 years, so
Yeah.
Yeah.
I appreciate all the amenities they put in. You know.
Definitely. That's hopefully this one's better than the trailer you lived in back in the day.
I don't know. That had was more home-like
Oh, okay.
versus travel-like.
Oh,
Yeah.
Wouldn't you
gotcha.
say?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It was made for,
Living in,
livability.
yeah.
And,
Yeah.
So anyhow, this is Alicia's father, Ray Grennan. He's been around the earth for many a year.
long time.
Long time. We won't tell you how long. He looks to be about 50.
A little over 50 years since I'm
Oop.
turning 69
Yeah.
in a
And
week.
almost another 50.
Yeah, exactly. But he's a great guy. I love him.
Yeah. If we had another bed, you could come with us.
2-1. Okay, we've had this van for a few days right now. The other day when we were going to show it to you, it was snowing way too hard, and it just didn't make sense to show it to you in a wintry day. But anyhow, here it is. It's a 1997 Dodge Leisure van.
Wide body.
Wide body. It's got just about all the bells and whistles you want. So let's just take a quick tour of this. Okay, on this side, we have what are known as the gray water and the black water waste system. And that's where you, of course, put the pipe in to drain everything. And all you van people probably know all this. Oh, it's a Freedom wide body, okay. Of course, we have the ever important gas tank. And next, we're going to go down here, our electrical connection. I think it's just another storage area. Nope, that is the generator, okay, which is really nice to have. And over here, we have a lot of storage.
Good place for camp chairs.
Exactly. This is, of course, the tire. Everybody knows what a tire is. But let's take a look inside. So this is the back of the van. This here is what's known as the trunk or basement, and we got an extension cord in there. And then we have access to the generator and access to the battery systems here. Yes, this goes into the basement.
It's just dark when you do that.
It's dark, very dark.
Is that
in
a
there.
little drain there, huh?
Yeah, there's a little drain, which is kind of nice.
Yeah.
Kind of nice. Okay, now we're going to go to the last final things here before the lovely Alicia takes over and shows you the inner works. Okay, this is known as the house battery, and very important to have. Why exactly, I don't know, but every band has to have a house battery.
I believe without it we couldn't heat up the back end, we couldn't have the air conditioning on.
Of course. This is very important for very hot days when you want to just cool off or clean off, is a outdoor shower with hose. And for sandy feet or salty bodies hot water,
from the ocean.
All that stuff. So that's very good too. I'll close it in a minute. And that leads us finally. Now, when we were learning about this van, it's not automatic. We won't be using this. On top, we can't get to that right now, but we do have solar, 3 panels, and we also have over here a TV antenna.
Because it's very unusual looking, I think.
Okay, so there you have it. This is the outside of the van. In a moment, Alicia's going to show you the inside.
Yes,
and you had something to say, Alicia.
Well, Frank didn't point out one thing, and it might sound silly to all of you, but I'm really excited that we have a porch light that goes under the awning, and I think that's cool. Obviously, I don't need to tell you this is the front of the van. That's rather obvious. But the seats are comfy, they swivel. And one of the more notable things, in my opinion, is this curtain. It goes all the way around, and that helps block out the light for when we're sleeping.
Okay.
That was that.
Well, that was very good.
All right, here's my kitchen. I have a fairly deep sink, just one-sided, but I can make that work. It's covered with a cutting board. Extra little table here to help with whatever is needed. I also have this really nice little propane stove, which I know I'll use. And here's our fridge. It's small, but it's mighty. Runs on propane or electric. And there's plenty of cupboard space. Now this is the control system in here. That turns out that light I like outside. This is the fan, the heater, the pump. And this is a way to test everything, and you can see if things need refilling. Things are emptied right now because it's been winterized. Up here we have a microwave, which I know we'll use. We like to heat up our leftovers, which will be in the little fridge. We have some storage space, not a lot, but we'll figure it out. This is a pantry, which is really cool. It unhooks, goes out. I'm guessing I'll have to bungee things in, but I don't know. We'll learn as we go. Here is our closet. I know this is going to be great, and we will be able to really use this. And here is our handy dandy bathroom, which was a must-have for us old folks for traveling. And here it is. We have a pull-down sink that's quite lovely. We have hot water heater in here. We have obviously the potty. And for privacy, they have these pull-out doors. I guess you'd call it a door. And then this closet door has the same thing. Also, I didn't mention the shower, which will be a learning curve. I can't get it to twist the right way. A learning curve here. But the shower curtain goes right around here. So it's a small shower, but it's a shower nonetheless. This is our living area. We have a nice long couch. The cushions are very comfortable in here. We also have chair on each side, and those are also comfortable. And we can use the big table or the small table. We can play cards on it. That's going to be nice to have. This is the area that will become our bed. Everything folds down and out, and because the cushions are really firm and comfortable, I think we're going to enjoy the bed. That's our air conditioning unit, which is crucial if you know anything about me. The heater is in the back left corner. All you have to do is turn the heat on. Another super cool feature in here are that all the windows have shade and screens, which is really cool. Every single window has the ability to let in air, but they all have screens so that we don't have the light shining in when we're trying to sleep.
Oh.
And a very important feature is a smart TV, flat screen. It even came with a remote control, which will be handy on a rainy day.
Amen, people.